Namaste. This is Mallikarjun Rao Satyaraju from Microcomputer Academy, Hyderabad. So, do you know how important is Microsoft Excel these days in work environment? Do you know how many columns and rows are there in Excel worksheet? There are nearly 16,346 columns and 10,48,576 rows. So these days, most of the data analysis is done through Microsoft Excel, and it is very widely used in many areas. Like, irrespective of your profession, it is must for you to use Microsoft Excel these days. You may be an advocate, you may be a doctor, you may be a chartered accountant, or you may be a student. For your own data analysis and data processing, these days Microsoft Excel is very much used. So I am going to conduct a 2 days advanced Excel workshop on every Saturday and Sunday. This is Learn Advanced Excel in Fast Track. This is for 8 hours. That is on Saturday morning 2 hours and Saturday night 2 hours, Sunday morning 2 hours, Sunday night 2 hours. In these 8 hours, I am going to cover up almost all topics in Excel and most of the menu commands and even complicated lookup reference functions, match and index functions, date manipulations and statistical functions, and how to write logical if conditions and all that. And there are certain advanced concepts like what if analysis, like goal seek scenarios, and also single variable data tables, double variable data tables. All these things I am going to explain. And beautifully how to format your worksheet. I am attaching a small demonstrative type of video that how I am going to teach you these Excel concepts. And this course is normally outside they are charging 3,000 to 5,000 rupees, and even I charge the same fee structure if candidates come to my place. And the same course now online on weekends as a fast track course I am offering you just for 555 rupees. So everybody can attend these classes. There is no age restriction. Even a school going boys, or maybe anybody who is interested in Microsoft Excel, learning Excel, and those who wanted to manage their data very easily on the Excel worksheets, they can join this course. And it will be very interesting and interactive, and every doubts are clarified. And one more advantage of this fast track 8 hours advanced Excel course is that I am going to provide you the soft copies of all the exercises which I am going to give you. I have my own design of exercises I have done for Excel. So every concept is explained with some examples, and you will be given some practice exercises also. Okay, so this will enhances your skills in Excel. And also at the end of the course I am going to give you a certificate also from our academy after the Saturday Sunday program is completed. So please do register for my advanced Excel fast track 8 hours course on Saturday and Sunday. You can also register for this course through your WhatsApp also, like you can WhatsApp to 934759955, so that you can as well discuss with me like the mode of teaching and how I am going to explain the concepts and all that. So I have nearly 30 plus years of experience in the field of computer education. I have trained more than 30,000 students in various computer languages and packages. So my expertise or my way of teaching definitely will clarify all your doubts. Now this is a golden opportunity for you, because this course is offered with a higher fee structure outside. And I am also a corporate trainer. I do train employees in various companies also. This course is conducted online. If you have a laptop, or even you can attend these classes from your mobile phone also. Install Zoom software. You pretty well everybody knows this, Zoom. So this course is only online but not offline.